Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the payment method for DSers. Before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been frustrated with the shipping costs associated with dropshipping? If so, then you're not alone. Many dropshippers struggle to find affordable shipping options for their products. That's where DSers comes in. DSers is a dropshipping platform that offers a variety of shipping methods, including e-packet, AliExpress standard shipping, and China Post registered airmail. These shipping methods are typically much cheaper than traditional shipping methods like UPS or FedEx. In addition to offering affordable shipping, DSers also provides a number of other benefits, such as automatic order fulfillment. DSers will automatically place orders with your suppliers when you receive an order from a customer. Inventory management. DSers will track your inventory levels and notify you when you need to restock. Product research. DSers can help you find new products to sell on your dropshipping store. So, how does DSers work? To use DSers, you first need to create a DSers account. Once you have created an account, you can connect your DSers account to your Shopify store. Once your DSers account is connected to your Shopify store, you can start adding products to your store. When you add a product to your store, you will need to specify the shipping method that you want to use. Once you have added a product to your store, you can start selling it to customers. When a customer places an order for one of your products, DSers will automatically place an order with your supplier. What is the payment method for DSers? Now that we know how DSers works, let's talk about the payment method. There are two payment methods that you can use with DSers. Pay on delivery. With this payment method, you will pay for your orders when they are shipped from your supplier. Prepaid. With this payment method, you will pay for your orders in advance. If you choose to pay on delivery, you will need to have a credit card or PayPal account on file with DSers. When you place an order, DSers will charge your credit card or PayPal account for the cost of the order. If you choose to pay prepaid, you will need to make a payment to DSers before your order is shipped. You can make a payment to DSers using a credit card, PayPal, or bank transfer. Which payment method is right for you? The best payment method for you will depend on your individual circumstances. If you are just starting out with dropshipping, you may want to choose the pay on delivery option. This way, you won't have to worry about making any upfront payments. However, if you are more experienced with dropshipping, you may want to consider the prepaid option. This can be a more cost-effective option in the long run. Additional tips for using DSers. Make sure that you have enough funds available in your payment method account. If you don't have enough funds available, your order may be canceled. Keep track of your orders. It is important to keep track of your orders so that you know when your products are expected to ship. Contact DSers customer support if you have any questions. DSers customer support is available 24/7 to help you with any problems you may have. DSers is a great platform for dropshipping. It offers a variety of benefits, including affordable shipping, automatic order fulfillment, and inventory management. If you are looking for a dropshipping platform, I highly recommend DSers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.